This is chapter 6, which is organic chemistry, and the name is alkyl halides, also called as the haloalkanes and amines. The topic that we will study today from this chapter is the Grignard reagent. Before I start with the topic, I'd first like to explain you organometallic compounds. As the name itself indicates, organo means organic, that is carbon. Metallic means metal. Those compounds that have a carbon that is bonded to a metal atom are considered as the organometallic compounds. Carbon can form four bonds, and among these four bonds, if one bond is with metal atom, then that compound will be called as the organometallic compound. In our course, we have different examples and their uses are also mentioned. But the Grignard reagent is in detail along with its preparation, factors that affect the preparation, and the preparatory method with the reactions. Grignard reagent, it is a highly reactive organic compound and it is used for the organic synthesis. I have also added few more examples along with their uses that you might get in your multiple choice question. Talking about the Grignard reagent, as it is an organometallic compound that I have already explained you in the start of this video, that since Grignard reagent is an organometallic compound, it means it will have a carbon that is bonded to a metal atom. But for Grignard reagent, that metal atom will always be magnesium. If the carbon is bonded to magnesium and it is an organometallic compound, then it is called as the Grignard reagent. For Grignard reagent, the general formula is RMgX. R is the alkyl group, Mg is the magnesium, and X is the halogen. Talking about its first synthesis, it was synthesized by a French chemist Victor Grignard, who also attained Nobel Prize for the synthesis in 1912. By definition, it is an organometallic compound that contains the carbon-magnesium bond. In this picture, you can also see that carbon is forming a bond with the magnesium metal. Talking about the preparation of Grignard reagent, it is prepared in the laboratory by the reaction of alkyl halide with the magnesium metal in the presence of anhydrous ether. Anhydrous means dehydrated, an ether that contains no water, that is not in the aqueous form. This is the equation for the general reaction. Here you can see that alkyl halide, which is denoted by Rx, reacts with the magnesium metal and it forms Grignard reagent. R is the alkyl group, X is the halogens that belongs to the 7 group. Chlorine, bromine and iodine are most commonly used halogens and the metal will always be the magnesium metal, that is denoted by the symbol capital M, small g. This is the example equation that I have also added here, that here ethyl bromide is reacting with the magnesium metal to form the ethyl magnesium bromide, that is Grignard reagent. Here you can see that R is ethyl, magnesium and halogen is bromide. The alkyl and halogen might vary but the magnesium metal will be constant for the Grignard reagent. Now a self-assessment question that I have added here is that how are Grignard reagents prepared? How you can answer it? Simply it is prepared by the reaction of alkyl halide with magnesium metal in the presence of anhydrous ether. You can write down the example equation and you get the full marks. Make sure that when you get this question in your board examinations and you have to write the example equation. The general equations, it's not supposed to be written here. That is only for the understanding. You have to prepare the equation and report it. Now, what are the factors that affect the preparation of the Grignard reagent? Since it is the most significant compound used for the organic synthesis, so there are two major factors that are involved in the preparation of the Grignard reagent. First is the size of the alkyl group. Grignard reagents contains alkyl group. The larger the size of the alkyl group, the difficult will be the preparation of Grignard reagent. For example, if I have methyl alkyl group and pentyl alkyl group. In methyl we have 1 carbon, in pentyl we have 5 carbon. So number of carbon increases, the size of alkyl group increase. It means for pentyl the preparation of Grignard reagent is very difficult. But for methyl, since the size of alkyl group is smaller, so it is much easier to prepare. Mostly for Grignard reagent preparation, methyl and ethyl are used as the alkyl group because of smaller size. Smaller size means easier preparation. Larger size means difficult preparation. The second factor that we have for the preparation of Grignard reagent is the nature of the halogen atom. The formation of the Grignard reagent also depends on the nature of the halogen atom that is attached to the alkyl group. For example, the bond between the iodine and carbon will be weaker than other halogen. What does it mean? It means that chlorine is more favorable for the preparation of Grignard reagent. Then you have bromine and then you have iodine, which means that if we want to prepare Grignard reagent, the alkyl groups we select could either be methyl or ethyl. The reaction is more feasible, the preparation is much better and easier. And for the halogen atoms, the preferred halogen that will give you easy reaction will be chlorine and bromine. So this is all for today. We also have the reactions of Grignard reagent that I will discuss in the next video along with the board questions that you get in your board examinations. I have given you a detailed analysis of the Grignard reagent. You can simply watch the video. Make sure that you watch the video completely to have a better understanding of all the concept, and when you get this question in your board examination, you know how to write the answer. Because I am sure that you know the concept but you are unable to deliver it in your copy, then it will make no sense. This is all for today. Thank you.